Growing herbs indoors is a great way to add flavor to your meals and bring some greenery into your home, even if you don't have a garden or outdoor space. Sage is a particularly popular herb, known for its strong aroma and medicinal properties. Here's a guide on how to grow sage indoors. Choose a container. Sage can grow in almost any type of container as long as it has good drainage. A clay or ceramic pot is a good choice as it will allow air to circulate around the roots. Make sure the pot is big enough for the plant to grow in, and leave at least an inch of space between the top of the soil and the rim of the pot. Pick the right soil. Sage prefers well-draining soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. A good option is a mix of potting soil and sand or perlite to improve drainage. Avoid using garden soil, as it can become compacted in a container and lead to root rot. Plant the sage. Fill the container with the potting soil mix, leaving enough room for the sage plant. Place the plant in the center of the container and gently pack the soil around the roots. Water the plant thoroughly, and add more soil if needed to fill any gaps. Choose the right location. Sage needs plenty of sunlight, so choose a location that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. If you don't have a sunny window, you can use a grow light to supplement natural light. Watering. Sage likes to be kept slightly dry, so make sure not to overwater. Allow the soil to dry out between watering, and then water deeply. It's better to water thoroughly but infrequently rather than giving the plant frequent, shallow waterings. Avoid getting water on the leaves, as this can lead to fungal disease. Fertilizing. Sage doesn't need a lot of fertilizer, but you can give it a boost every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Be careful not to over-fertilize, as this can lead to weak growth and poor flavor. Pruning. Prune the sage regularly to encourage bushy growth and prevent it from becoming too leggy. You can harvest the leaves as you need them for cooking, but be sure not to remove more than 1/3 of the plant at a time. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy fresh, flavorful sage right from your own kitchen. With a little bit of care and attention, you can have a thriving indoor herb garden in no time.